Hello everyone, welcome to Grammar Podcast, the show where we make English fun and easy to understand. I am Laika.
And I'm Sai.
And I'm Sargent. Today, we're talking about something that the foundation of every sentence, part of the speech.
That's right, every word we're making in English belong to a category. And these categories are what we call parts of speech. And there are 8 parts of speech. The first noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection.
So let's start with nouns. Nouns are the easiest to spot in the sentence. So nouns are the words that name people, places, things, or ideas. Like for example, the word teacher, city, computer, or happy.
Exactly. And pronouns take the place of noun to avoid repetition. Instead of saying Maria likes Maria's cat, we say Maria likes her cat.
Moving on, verbs is an action word. For example, run, swim, hike, or any action words.
Then we've got adjectives, which describes the nouns. For example, the red car. The word red describes what is the car.
And don't forget adverbs. They describe verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. If I say, he runs quickly, quickly is an adverb because it tells us how he runs.
Preposition. Preposition shows relationship between the words. For example, in, on, under, or below. The cat is under the table.
You're right, Laika. Then we have the conjunctions, which describes or which tells us the words or ideas in the sentence. Words like and, but, or, and because. For instance, I like pizza and pasta.
And finally, interjection. Those little emotional expressions like wow, ouch, or hey. They add feeling to what we say.
So to recap, the 8 parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So each plays a key role in building sentence that makes us sense.
So you can think them as parts of team, which each of them has a different role, but together they make the sentence win.
Nice comparison, Sai. So next time, if you write or speak, try spotting which part of speech you're using. It is a great way to level up your grammar skills.
Thanks for listening, and remember, words are powerful when you know how they work.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone!
Bye everyone.